Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting a new chapter, prefixes. What are prefixes? Prefixes are letters that are added to the beginning of a word. Means a prefix is a letter or a group of letters added at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Means when we add it at the beginning of any root word or base word, we get a new word with a different meaning. Means prefix change the meaning of a word. There are common prefixes like anti, dis, in, co, mis, trans, un, post, extra, semi, auto. These are the common prefixes and having a meaning. So when we add it before the base word, we get a new word with a different meaning. And always remember that we add prefix before a root word or before a base word, as itself says prefixes means pre means before, so we always add prefix before a word. Don't forget this. Now some examples. For example, re. I've told you that re, un, this, these are the common prefixes. So prefix re means again. So if we add this re to a base word or to the root word start, what we will get? We will get a new word, restart. Or suppose if we add this re word before mind, what we will get? We will get a new word. It is called remind. So as you have seen that both words now change by its meaning. Now, for example, prefix un, which means not. And before this, I want to tell you that sometimes prefixes are used to give us the opposite word or the antonyms. I hope you remember the antonyms we have already done. Means the opposite words. For example, prefix un. Un means not. So if we add this word prefix un before a root word happy, what we will get? Which new word we will get? We will get a new word unhappy, which means it is a opposite of a word happy. Suppose if we add the prefix dis means opposite of. If we add this prefix before a root word like, what we will get? We will get dislike, which is the opposite of like. Then suppose if we add dis prefix before word agree, what we will get? Again we are getting an antonym, disagree. It is the opposite of agree. So here you have understood that a prefix is added to the beginning of a word to make a new word or sometimes opposite. One more example, preschool. As you can see here, the prefix pre, which is added before a word is school. So pre means before, and we have added it before a word school. We got a new word preschool, which means before school. Isn't that simple? Now, a prefix changes the meaning of a word. So we have understood this. Let's see some more example. Prefix im means no. If we add this to a root word or base word, it is called polite. We get a new word impolite, which means not polite. If we add prefix in means no to the root word complete, we get a new word incomplete, means not complete. If we add prefix semi means half, to the root word circle, we will get a new word semicircle, means half circle. If we add prefix none. None means not. To the root word stop. So what we get? We get a new word non-stop means without a stop or not a stop. If we get a prefix, if we add prefix dis, this means not or opposite of. To the root word agree, we get a new word disagree means not agree. If we add prefix re, which means again, means repeat again, to the root word use, then we are getting a new word reuse means to use again. I hope this chapter, which is very simple, is you have understood it well. To make it more clear, let's do some exercises. This is your assignment. You have to do this. Here you can see some words which are having prefixes. You have to segregate it, means you have to uh, underline, you have to underline the prefix and you have to circle the base word in this exercise. Next we have another exercise. Here you can see in a box some prefixes are given and after that some words, base words or you can say root words are given. You have to add this prefix in front of the base word or the root word so that we can get a meaningful word, another meaningful word. So do this and send it to me. Thank you.